Hey YouTube, this is Willy Bieber and I'm showing you my Supra Vader Red Carpet Turf. Yeah. And this video is kinda rare. On YouTube you don't see this type of Supras. You just see like just other Supras and not this type. And I hope you like it. Yep. Okay YouTube, I think that's for all. Bye bye.